Alright, in this video I'll show you how to smooth skin naturally in Pixelmator Pro, without destroying texture or getting that plasticky look. Here is the original image. Notice the skin texture is good, but there are few blemishes and uneven tone. The goal is not perfect skin, it's clean, realistic skin. First, I duplicate the original image. I usually like to rename my layers, so I will rename this one Blur. On this copy, I apply the blur effect and set it between 6 to 7 pixels. This is only for evening out skin tone, not the detail. At this stage, the image would look too soft, and that is normal. Now, I duplicate the original image one more time. I drag it on top and rename it Low Pass. I then apply Low Pass effect and set it between 15 and 16 pixels. And change the blend mode to overlay. This helps balance contrast and skin tone without flattening the image. Next, I duplicate the original image one more time, drag it on top and rename it High Pass. I will apply the High Pass effect and I leave it at 5 pixels. This will bring back fine skin texture and detail. I will set the blend mode to overlay as well. Now, I select all the duplicate layers and group them together. I will add a mask to the group while holding down Option key, making sure the mask is set to hide all. And with a soft brush, at low opacity, I paint only over the skin. I will avoid eyes, lips, hair, and edges. Finally, I add the sharpen effect to the group. I set the intensity between 140 and 145. I set the amount between 4 and 6 pixels. This restores clarity without over-sharpening. And that's it! Smooth skin, real texture, and no fake look.